Adding multiple audio tracks to Instagram Reels allows you to create engaging dynamic content. So, today we are here with step-by-step guide on how to do it. Firstly, open the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, simply tap on the plus icon available in the bottom. Then, simply select Reels and either record a video or upload one from your gallery. Once you choose the video or photo you want to post on Reel using all the audios, now all you have to do is tap on the music icon available in the bottom. After you tap on the music note icon, browse Instagram's music library or search for a specific track. After you select a music, then you can simply choose the portion of the song to use and adjust its length to fit your clip. Then, once you have added the first track, you can see add audio option again and repeat the process. Simply browse through the music and add it again. So now you don't see any add audio section option available, but you can again add it by simply tapping on the music icon available there. Tap on the music icon and you will go through the Instagram music again and browse through it and repeat the same process again and again. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.